I'm over it. I'm over the wash days. I'm over the treatments, just everything that goes with it. Is so much work to maintain your hair. Hello, how are you? My name is Alicia and I wanted to document my lock journey. I'm going to do 2-strand twist to start and I am so excited about it. I just feel like it is going to be more convenient for my lifestyle. It's just going to work with me. Where low maintenance, I don't have to do much with it. I have been what they call a loose natural for about almost 8 years now and I'm over it. I'm over the wash days. I'm over the treatments, just everything that goes with it. Is so much work to maintain your hair and I have discovered that I am lazy in that department. Today is the first day I have washed my hair. I'm going to do a natural conditioner. I'm going to do like avocado and some mayonnaise and some olive oil just to kind of treat my hair before I lock it or before I start twisting it. This is how my hair looks after my little homemade treatment. I'm just gonna put a shower cap on it and I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes, I guess, and we'll rinse it out with cold water because it is eggs in my hair. And last time I had eggs in my hair and I rinsed out with hot water, it was little clumps of egg in my hair. So you want to rinse it out with cold water. Okay, so I'm back. I rinsed out my homemade hair treatment and I am back. My hair, my curls are popping for right now. I just pinned it back because I didn't want it in my face, but this is how my hair looks after I rinsed all of the ingredients out. So I'm about to blow dry my hair because I want it straight. This is so beautiful. I freaking love my hair. I'm sitting here looking in the mirror and it's like I'm loving my curls. I don't know if y'all can see, but my curls are the bomb. But anyway, I'm about to, oh my gosh, look at my curls. Look at my curls. I just love them. I just really wish I was able to maintain my own hair and care for my own hair. I just really did not have the patience for it anymore. So anywho, we're not gonna get into all of that. parting process now. I did the right side of my head the best that I could. I had to bring my big tall mirror from my bedroom in here so that I can see the back of my head. I'm trying the best that I can do for right now. So I'm just gonna try to mimic the same parting style from the right side to the left side. And then when I finish, I'm gonna come back and explain to you what I did. Section, and so basically I have 6 sections in the front of my head, and these are more these are longer. I may split them into squares as I get closer, but for right now I'm just braiding it up into one section. So I just wanted to show you that I'm braiding this like a regular cornrow to make this one section. And I'm trying to make sure that my parts are good. That part just like that. That's the best I can get it for right now without putting any type of product or anything in my hair. I really want to do this without putting any product in because I want to see how my hair does without any type of product. I've never not put any type of product in my hair, especially like a moisturizing product, because my hair can get very dry. And I want to see how to treat my hair. Like, am I going to need some moisturizing products? Will it just flourish without any product? So we're just going to see. But for this installation, I'm not going to put any product in. I'm just going to let my own natural oils form and oil my hair and my scalp. So this is the last section in the front that I'm going to... So I know I look crazy right now, but this is just how I'm going to have my hair, because I have it all sectioned out. But right now, at this very moment, I have 20 sections of parted off hair. I have 14 in the back, and then I have 6 in the front, like I described to you earlier. Now later on, when I get to the front, I am going to just section these off a little bit more to make it a little easier for me to break down these long sections. So I'm going to show you how the back of anyway, I'm going to show you how the back of my hair looks right now. This is day one. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope that you continue to watch and continue to support me in my journey. As if you need help or support with your journey, I want to be here to do that for you. As I said before, please leave any comments or questions down below, and I will try my best to answer them or get you some information to help you make any type of decisions that you need to make in the future with your hair. I am totally excited about this new journey, everybody is calling it, but I just really cannot wait to experience the freedom of just getting up and go, not really worrying about how. I'm probably going to do a video of what my concerns were with starting my locks and why I decided to start my locks and everything. So there are some things that I do want to talk about and discuss in the video, because this may be things that you may be questioning or iffy and teeter-tottering between that line. But all in all, I was ready. It was just things that I needed to get over myself to make this part of my life a little bit easier. So anyway, I'm going to end this video here, and I really hope that you stay tuned for the next one. Thank you. Have a good night.